Alright guys, it's me. I'm going to read you the cards for finding the claim. If you want, use me. If not, mute me. Just make sure that you are answering the questions. It says click here to enter your answers. You can do that now, or you can write your answers on a separate sheet of paper, I would recommend, and then go back and enter your answers on that first screen. Okay, so here we go. Okay, first one. Should schools ban the Confederate flag? First, what you want to do is look at the evidence. This would be like if you were a lawyer. These are the things you would present to the jury. And then you would say, this is then my claim. Remember, a claim is a strong opinion. And it can be backed up. It should be very convincing. It should not be a piece of evidence. Confederate flag disrespect Africa. Third, flag a sign of using all this best claim. A, Confederate flag in schools. B, flag should not be banned because it is protected by the Amendment. So choose answer. I choose the school. Students give a sports. This is the ask the evidence. Have lost yearly budget and extra. So claim A, students shouldn't pay to play. It is obligation. C, should play school because having to make decisions small. Remain with the fact evidence. All right. Should school student media things? Social schools lines of trouble and monitor it's safe. Evidence as claim. A, not watch media posts because it's money. School students social if they are there in school. Safe would interfere with the ed children. Of school should not work harmful to their adolescents. Year-olds not be allowed because it is bad for adults. 12-year-olds allowed to work because they could to their family. Based on the ed would match. Sport is $1,000. College should be because C, athletes should not be paid. Schools do beauty. Hours of preparation using this as the best claim. Okay, I'm going to pageants. Claim if these four or beauty pageants. The U.S. banned beauty pageants because since to develop patient skills and beauty, it can be to the health. Corporal punishment in school. Corporal punishment should be allowed to spank hands on students. Evident corporal kids that is acceptable. Teaches kids can solve problems. Which is the punishment allowed in school? It doesn't learning. B, punishment should not in school gives the wrong about violence. Corporal should be because students feel safe. 8. Foul language in high school. Foul language like cursing. Evidence calling someone not a good. Foul language from playing well. This evidence, which is the best. Foul language because it increases self-defense. Foul should be banned. It doesn't character should not be for the hell players. The minimum beast. If people would spend this would help the government billions and help need in wage. Using this which is the age should be because it helps with the cost of B. Minimum wage should not because it could B. Wage raised because of the economy. 10. Should parents find kids are evidence. Was bullying reported? Victims parents have difficulty enforce on kids not while at school and have difficulty enforce rules kids while at school. This evidence is the best. A should not fine for their child's hard to prove and enforce. B not have to pay a child's bullies other pro better. C should hang for their child because one of the biggest faces today. Number 11. Should state ban food in school? Ports begin age. Children's amount at school. A. Junk food and help children learn to good eaters. Ban junk food because Americans are obese. State should not food in school. Each should be able to make decisions in schools. pause there. Number 12. Have children's sports become too extreme? Evidence. 74% of children have seen out-of-control parents at a game. 15% said their parents get mad at them if they play poorly. Using this evidence, which is the best claim? A. Children's sports have become too extreme because of the large amount of injuries. B. Children's sports have become too extreme because of angry adults. C. Children's sports have not become too extreme because the sports build character. (13) Using this evidence, which is the best claim? Should disposable plastic water bottles be banned? Evidence. Producing plastic bottles releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Disposable plastic bottles take hundreds of years to decompose. A. Disposable plastic water bottles should not be banned because they allow for healthy alternatives to high sugar drinks. B. Disposable plastic water bottles should be banned because they are a waste of money. C. Disposable plastic water bottles should be banned because they are bad for the environment. 14. Are search engines making us stupid? Evidence. We are able to gain more information than the days before the internet. We can get information easily and spend more time studying it than finding it. A. Search engines are not making us stupid because they are free. B. Search engines are making us stupid because it is too easy to find the information. C. Search engines are not making us stupid because they allow us to explore more information. Which of these is the best claim? 15. Is football too dangerous for children? Evidence. Tackling in football can lead to concussions. Concussions can lead to depression and memory loss. A. Football is too dangerous for children because it can damage their still developing brains. B. Football is too dangerous for children because they can break many bones. Football is not too dangerous for children because children are taught how to play safe. 16. Should video cameras be installed in school hallways? Evidence. Schools with video cameras reported that less bullying occurred because students knew they were being watched. When bullying did occur, bullies were identified and punished. Using this evidence, which is the best claim? A. Video cameras should not be installed in school hallways because it takes away the student's privacy. B. Video cameras should be installed in school hallways to keep students safe from bullying. C. Video cameras should be installed in school hallways to stop active shooters. All right, that's the end. Submit your answers.